Hello, my fellow sneakerheads. This is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to the very first episode of Sneaker Jamz Viewer's Choice. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you a pair of some awesome Air Jordans that are making a comeback. It says Sneaker Jamz Season 2. And thanks to you guys, the votes are in. You're going to check out these awesome Jordans. Let's go. Woo! Oh, look at that. Look at these bad boys right here. These are the 1996 Bred Air Jordan 11s. Here are some sneaker facts. These shoes were made by Tinker Hatfield, and the retail price for these shoes on Go.com is $215. Good luck buying them in your budget. Check out the texture of the shoe. Check this out. It has the majority of the upper, including the patented leather mudguard with the true red limited to the branding. A white midsole leads to a translucent true red outside, which is broken up by black sections of the Harrington bone at the toe and the heel. Here are some Chicago Bulls facts. Michael Jordan wore these shoes during the 1996 NBA playoffs and the 1996 NBA championships against the Seattle Supersonics. I love wearing these shoes. They look so dope, and they're also badass as well. And these were given to me by my good friend Gregory Platinum Williams, who is beating cancer's ass and also cancer free right now. Congratulations to you, Platinum. I hope I'll see you soon. So get well, my brother. I love you. Love you very much. You can also definitely see me in both photo shoots and fashion shows with these Jordans right here. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I know you do. What can I say? I'm a sneakerhead, baby. I love wearing these Jordans. Oh yeah. You're definitely going to see me wear these babies every single day. Oh yeah, definitely. I love these Jordans. And speaking of the Bred 11s, it's time to debut the newest segment I call the Great Sneaker Debate. So today, I'm going to show you the, how can I say it, last year's newest, well, I would say re-release version of the Bred 11s. So check this out. You'll see what I mean. Oh, and by the way, here's some sneaker facts as well for the Bred 11s version. These shoes were released back last year, December 14th, 2019, and the price range at StockX is $300. Good luck buying them. Alright, so let me show you the similarities from the 1996 version. It does have the texture on it. Let me zoom it in like so. You can see the majority of the upper, including the patent leather mudguard with true red limited to the branding. A white midsole leads to a translucent true red outsole, which is broken up by black sections of the Harrington bone at the toe and at the heel. So as we move along, swipe, you can see the back of the heel, which it says 23, just like the old school ones. It looks dope, it looks cool, but I prefer the old school ones better. So as we move along, as we swipe to the next part of the sneakers here, as you can see inside the shoe that says Nike Air on it, it is re-released, but in a new special edition as well. Because you can see the 1996 version, it usually have the Air Jordan symbol inside the shoe as well. And you can see which is outside the shoe on the so-called shoe pads. This is This is part of the sneaker as well, and of course it makes your feet more comfortable. And you can see the bottom of the shoe as I zoom in. That has the Jordan symbol on the bottom of it. It does have the CBC, comfortable. Let me phrase that: comfortable, balance, and casual too. So that is my update on the 2019 Bread 11s. And let me tell you why the difference between the Bread 11s 1996 to the Bread 11s 2019. Now, I love the old school version. I mean, the new school is awesome. It's cool, it's dope, but I like the old school ones better because Michael Jordan worn those Jordans back in 96 during the NBA playoffs and the NBA finals. And that leads to the Bulls' fourth NBA championship. And as you can see here, I'm wearing my shirt. 1996 NBA champions, Chicago Bulls. Michael Jordan was part of that team, part of the dynasty, and it was also part of a second three-peat. And that was going from 96 all the way to 98. That's why the old school versions are more better than the new school versions. Take it from me. Let me know in the comments which Jordans are better, the 1996 version or the 2019 version. You decide. And because casual sneakers are the best in the fashion industry, you can dress them up, you can dress them down. It's all about being yourself. If you can't be yourself, well, nobody can accept you. 100% for real. Well, I hope you enjoyed this awesome first episode of Sneaker Jamz Viewer's Choice. Now, if you want to know which casual sneakers will I show y'all on Sneaker Jamz, or better yet, which special guest shall I bring on Viewer's Choice? Hey, as always, that's for me to know and you to find out. So stay tuned to the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching this very first episode of Sneaker Jamz Viewer's Choice. God bless y'all. Have a safe and happy new year. And as always, this is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott saying, I'll see you guys next time. So God bless y'all. Peace. And always remember, lace them up and kick it with Sneaker Jamz. Later.